心里。别怕，就算分别以后也有机会相遇。别怕，就算乌云还一直盘旋在头顶，也总有一天能放晴。希望你被这个世界爱着，希望你笑了是真的快乐，希望你遇见过山的浑浊，夜里依然有海的清澈。希望你被这个世界爱着，希望你哭了也是幸福的，希望你爱过一路风雨曲折，心里依然载满梦的炽热。希望你被这个世界爱着，希望你笑了。
Who's a good girl? Such a good girl. Gonna get Ross to give you a kiss later. Ôi mơ mứt.
It's good, you know, cloudy, and it was wet as well, and it was putting on the day. But we're you know, we're still in there, my hard, you know, doing the Budrubbing. You know, for us, just another day, another dollar, you know, trying to make the money for a living, you know, like supporting our whānau. And then, you know, because we got wife and kids, so like, you know,
You miss it, bro?
Still in there, no matter what day will bring us, you know, like.
Good girl.
But as you can see there, we just do Budrubbing, and also like the
what time did you get here before,
rootstock, the red shoots that is around the vines from the bottom. They will be like here and there. But if you don't get rid of those rootstock, it will getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's kind of like and we just preventing it. We just carry our snips or our secateurs you know, just to get rid of those what's it called again, the rootstock. It will appear again, you know, because it's from right up at the bottom of the ground and stuff, you know. So, but we're just trying to get rid of it, you know, like yeah. Unless maybe if they use the Roundup, you know. But then again, if you use Roundup, you know, like it might gonna kill the plants and stuff, you know what I mean? So like yeah, maybe if you use a shovel and then dig it up, you know, and just get rid of it from when you're digging it up and then pull it up, you know, yeah, maybe, yeah. But we're just doing butt rubbing, you know, just not like, because otherwise if you carry a shovel and doing that, we're not making any money, you know. So that's why just kind of like normal butt rubbing, and then like just carry the secateurs or snip, you know, like yeah. So this should be okay for now, this kind of thing, you know. And this block here, one of the manager's new block that he just purchased it. He had his own house and then like a vineyard as well, but they sold it, and then it's got this one. The reason they sold it is just because he just doesn't want to make a mission going here, there, you know. So he's just like, oh sweet, okay, we're gonna sell that, our house and then the land and stuff with the vineyard, and then moving here. And then they got a project, they got this, and then the other side, the vineyard has been redevelopment. So they just kind of get rid of the previous plants and they just kind of plants it with the new Sauvignon Blanc. So like yeah, so it's a new project for them, but they want to get the job done like efficient, and he wants a perfect job, you know. We got the other stuff to do, but not the digging part, because we don't have the equipment and all that. But and the planting, we didn't plant it because they use a machine or something like that planting it. So but we doing the bamboo stick, using the marking the posts, and then nailing as well, and then yeah, cliff chips, and then clipping them as well, yeah. But yeah, which is a good thing. So we just got that job as well. So like yeah, so the job itself here, we are located in Blenheim, Marlborough region, South Island, New Zealand. So if you guys got any questions, you know, in regards for the the clips here, don't be shy. Just just leave a comment, you know. And then also like, don't forget to subscribe as well. Trying to get more videos uploaded every day. So like working season to season, you know, like you got the summer season, you got the winter season. Summer season is just kind of like now, like doing this kind of job. And then you got wildlifting, and then skirting, which is just kind of like anything that's hanging down from the plants, you're taking it out. And then you got wildlifting as well, and then you got the head turning as well. And then like later on, some few of the harvesting. We might not be doing harvesting, but we're just doing like sampling. We're still harvesting, but just sampling the fruits. So like yeah, so keep an eye on that as well later on. I'm gonna upload those videos like the one that I did for this year. So like yeah, so again, thank you for watching there, guys. I hope you all have a lovely day, and just keep watching till the end, and you know, to see clips. Yeah, see that before. See, for example, it's anything that's hanging down, kind of get rid of it, you know, skirting job and all that. Yeah, so like yeah, thank you. Johan's out. Kakite.